Hello everyone, this is part 1 of the series in which I'm going to cover some cool animations, effects, design, like whatever I find cool on the internet. So for this particular video, we have this cool design and effect. So like before going into the software, I would like to give a simple breakdown how we are going to approach this. Like not this one, but any animation or effect you see online, how you should approach it and make it easy to create. Okay. So first of all, there is like break down this thing in simple steps and just do those steps. And if there is any step which you can't do on your own or having problems, just Google it, YouTube, or maybe you are in some Discords, ask there. Okay, that will help. So for this one, it's kind of easy, like it's not that hard. Just a rectangle, and there's a Gaussian blur in this, dial pad, text. That's it. Like not pretty complex. We just need a background, like a rounded rectangle in the background, a dial like this much. This thing, like creating these numbers, it's all like manual work. It takes a time, but that's it. And I'm gonna add some animations also. So this is like kind of simple. Like it was kind of more complex, and there would be more steps. I would have explained a bit more further, but this is kind of simple. So let's get into the software. So I have actually done the like manual labor stuff. So I've created the numbers and everything. But still, I will show you again. So it's kind of easy. Okay, just type all the numbers. Okay, I will align them in the center. So just to like align them in horizontally with the equal distance between each of them. There is some cool trick which I found recently. There is a script. Okay, I created the script, and maybe in some future video I will also tell you how you can create these kind of scripts, like with ChatGPT and all that stuff. So just select horizontal, number of pixel, 80 should be good. And then you should get something like this. Okay, I just have select it from like down to up, so it will be like the number 1 will be in the start and then number 15 in the last. Okay, that's how we got this. I already created it, so I'm not gonna create this again. In this one I will actually show you some cool tricks with the effects. That's mostly the part I actually want to cover in this video. Okay, other than that, like these, I just like this second layer, just the copy of the first one. Okay, and these rails are exactly same. I just created this one part, then just repeated this a bunch of times. So that's it. I will actually start with the rectangle because that's like kind of a, I don't know what this effect is called, but it's kind of easy. Select the rounded rectangle, create the shape. I think for the fill, select whatever you like, it doesn't matter. And after this, just I'm gonna change the size a bit, center it. Okay, then just it's kind of easy, like nothing, just click on this. This will turn this area in adjustment layer. Okay, click on this, apply Gaussian blur. Easy, you're good to go. So I think after doing this, and just let's take a look at the reference. You see there is like kind of a border. If you see, it's gray, kind of not noticeable, but still it's there. That's also kind of easy. Just copy this, remove this, remove this. I think for the fill, I think just make it 0. Stroke around 1 should be good. Gray color. Actually can't change it from here. I don't know, like there is a recording option going on, so manual work. And it should be there. Just have to increase the size a bit. That's it. Okay, so this is like the main structure, and I think after the structure you just need these manual work. You can do it. Okay, it's kind of easy, so not gonna include this. Just get this here. Everything is masked. Okay, I can, like, applying mask should not be that hard. Just mask, and if you see the feather, it's 100 each and every. The mask is also same, if you see. So feather and feather. It's okay. Just increase the size a bit. Connect this everything to null. This plugin is called Void. You can find it for free. A good one. Increase it as much as up. It's in the center. This much is done. Now I need this and this white. White one is again this. You can just create with this. I'm gonna copy it from the original one. It is. Just change it also, it's kind of like half. It's kind of the thing which we are. It's kind of the main part starts from there. Okay, wanna apply all the effects and all that. Use this. It should look something like this. Okay, I will tell you why I'm doing this. Okay, they don't get like confused. Let's increase the width a bit, because when I use the taper, the width is like kind of decreased. Wait a second. Wow, this looks outside the law. This looks so it's kind of done. Okay, I actually use the raw footage behind it, so it looks kind of good. So you can just take a look how it will look in your videos or short form. Okay, name everything so it becomes more easy. Other bad. After this, we will start applying the effects, and that should be pretty much it. I think not gonna copy the whole reference. It's just like the reference is the thing which I take inspiration from, and adding my own taste to it. Okay, okay. This is pretty much it. So the effects will go something like this. For this, You see, for the rectangle, I really want to apply like green. It kind of becomes heavy for laptop, but if you don't have any issue with it, because I'm not gonna post this or something, so apply green. Okay, it's taking the shape. Select. Okay, Kodak Vision. It looks good. Just change the Gaussian blur to maybe 45, maybe 40. Just round it off. Okay, so the color is chill. No issues with it. And I think maybe increase the size a bit. Okay, it should be just there, like it should not be visible, but still be like blending with the background. I think green is a bit more. Just change it to 0.7. Then comes this box. Just make it 90. For the highlight, think apply focal gradient for the movement theme. Apply focal gradient. Select the color, like if your brand color is like, for me, I'm really wanna go with blue. Select the darkest blue, like this, and like dark to white. Okay, dark to bright, and that should be the last. Friends, here. Okay. Now place all of these at these four corners. Okay, so I will tell you the reason for highlight right now. So what happens, like whenever you want to take your viewers focus on one particular thing, what you should do, there are multiple ways, like there is contrast, maybe there is hue, maybe there is saturation, like blur. Okay, and if there is not blur, then sizing, position, opacity. Okay, those are the few things. The second is animation. Okay, so what happens, like there is an animation here, your eyes will be there, but a sudden change in the animation here, eyes will move from this to this. Okay, that's how it works. That's why we use the highlight and all that. So these are few things which you should try to like focus your viewer in one particular point. So for the highlight, let's just use this color, apply the deep glow. If you guys don't have deep glow, think, well, maybe add the link, the drive, or you can get it. Okay, it's not that hard to get it online, but you definitely should pay for it. Okay, so kind of look like this. Here it, the size again is issue. I have increased it a bit. Let's go, like just making few changes to the size. Looks nice. Okay. Think we'll apply bevel and emboss just for a touch. And actually, just wanna know, it doesn't have to look same. Okay, just the inspiration and it should look good. That's it. Like this. Then I think I will try to apply deep glow on like this 0.01. Don't apply deep glow a lot. Okay, it looks good. Even if you like select 0.2, it will look really good. But always go for 0.01, 0.02 just to blend it. Copy this, everything, paste it. For this also, paste it, paste it. Let me see which layer is this. Okay, for this we don't need deep glow. For this shape, the white one, apply the deep glow manually. select a bit more higher value. Okay, 0.5. There's one more pretty quick hack. Just enable this. There will be like some colors coming out of it deeply. Okay, so after this, only thing which is left is animation. Okay, go into these, click this. Everything is wait, it's already connected to another. Okay, zoom in, not a lot. Try to keep your animation around 1 second or maybe two. It looks good. Okay, drag this ahead. Just drag this like this, and it should be good. But the reason why I'm applying the animation in the comp is because I've applied like a mask on this one. So if I change anything, okay, it's like a really good mission. Can't like animate both of them separately. Okay, so it's also an issue. But yeah, this will look nice. And after this animation is complete, the next thing is we animate the highlight. Click on the trim parts. The tutorial is already kind of long. I will make it short by just cutting those parts where I was doing the manual stuff. Over here on this, wait, not this, but the start. Okay, oh, it will be a really good effect.